Hello and welcome. This lecture is also based on finding square root using duplex method. We have to find square root of this 7-digit number. Now technique is same. We will group them like this and there will be 4 groups. That means there will be 4 digits in the square root of this number. Now we will separate this first group from rest of the numbers. We have to follow same technique. Now first of all we have to find a perfect square less than equal to this number. 1 is the only perfect square number which can be subtracted from this one and its square root is 1. Now double of this square root number is 2. So 2 is the divisor for this calculation. Now if we subtract 1 from this number, we will get 0. So nothing to place before the next dividend number. Next dividend number now will be 2. Now we have to divide this 2 and the divisor is 2. So we get 1 time 2 and no remainder is left. So next dividend number will be 5. But this time we have to subtract duplex of this number. And duplex of 1 is 1 square, that is 1. So we have to subtract 1 from this number, 4. Now we have to divide by 2. 2 can divide 4 2 times. And next dividend number is 8. From 8 we have to subtract duplex of 12. Now duplex of 12 is 2 times 1 times 2, that is 4. So if we subtract 4 from this number we get 4. Now 2 can divide 4 2 times. And next dividend number is 8. From 8 we have to subtract duplex of 122, which is 2 times 1 times 2 plus 2 square. So 4 plus 4, 8. So if we subtract 8 from this number we get 0 and 2 can divide 0 0 times. And next dividend number is 8. From 8 we have to subtract duplex of this number. And duplex of this number is 2 times 1 times 0 plus 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. So that means we have to subtract 8 from here. Again 0. 2 can divide 0 0 times only. And next dividend number is 4. From 4 we have to subtract duplex of this number. Duplex of this number is, that means 0 plus 0 plus 4, that is 4. So if we subtract 4 from here, again we get 0 and 2 can divide 0 0 times. Because there are 4 groups, so we will place decimal after 4 digits. So 1122 is the square root of this number. Let's do one more example. Now we have to find a perfect square number which is less than 17. 16 is the perfect square number which is less than 17 and its square root is 4. So we will place 4 over here and double of 4, 8. Now 8 will be divisor for this calculation. If we subtract 16 from 17 we get 1 and we place this 1 before the next dividend number. Now we have to divide 17 by 8. 8 2s are 16 and remainder is 1. Now the next dividend number is 14 and we have to subtract duplex of this number, 2. Duplex of 2 is 4. So 10. 8 can divide 10 1 times. 2 is the remainder and we place 2 before the next dividend number, 29. Now we subtract duplex of 21 from 29, which is 2 times 2 times 1, 4. Now 8 can divide 25 3 times and the remainder is 1. So next dividend number is 13. From 13 we have to divide duplex of this number, 213. Duplex of this number is 2 times 2 times 3 plus 1 square. That is 12 plus 1, 13. So we have to subtract 13 from here and now 0 is left. 8 can divide 0 0 times and from 6 we have to subtract duplex of this number. Duplex of this number is 2 times 2 times 0 plus 2 times 1 times 3. That is 6. So if we subtract 6 from here, we get 0 again. 8 can divide 0 0 times. From 9 we have to subtract duplex of this number, which is 2 times 2 times 0 plus 2 times 1 times 0 plus 3 square, which is 9. So if we subtract 9 from here, again we get 0. Now because there are 4 groups, so we have to place a decimal after 4 digits. So 4213. This is the square root of this number. Now slightly different problem. We group them to 2, so there will be 2 digits in the square root of this number. Perfect square number below 7 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2 and double of 2 is 4. This is the divisor. Now if we subtract 4 from 7, we get 3. We place this 3 before the next dividend number. So 38 is the dividend number. 4 divides 38 9 times. This is the remainder. We place 2 over here. From 24 we have to subtract duplex of this number. But duplex of 9 is 9 square, which is 81. Since 24 is smaller than 9 square, so we cannot subtract 81 from 24. Then what to do? Now in this case, 4 will not divide 38 9 times. 4 will divide 38 8 times. So if 4 divides 38 8 times, 32, then 6 is the remainder. And we place this 6 before the next dividend number, 64. Now we have to subtract duplex of 8 from 64. And this gives 0. 4 can divide 0 0 times. And we have to place decimal after 2 digits because we are having 2 groups. So 28 is the square root of this number. Let's do one more problem. Now there are 4 groups. Now perfect square number below 5 is 4 and its square root is 2 and double of 2 is 4. 4 is the divisor for this calculation. Now if we subtract 4 from 5, we get 1 and we place this 1 before the next dividend number. So 19 is the next dividend number. 4 can divide 19 4 times, 16, and remainder is 3. We place this 3 before the next dividend number. Now 33 is the next dividend number. And from 33 we have to subtract duplex of 4, that is 16. So 17. Now 4 can divide 17 4 times, 16, and remainder is 1. We place this remainder before the next dividend number. From 18 we have to subtract duplex of 44. Duplex of 44 is 2 times 4 times 4, which is 32. 18 is smaller than 32. So we cannot subtract 32 from 18. In that case, we cannot divide 17 4 times. We can divide 17 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Now 4 can divide 17 3 times. 12. So 5 is the remainder. From 58 we have to subtract duplex of 43, which is 2 times 4 times 3. 24. So from 58 we have to subtract 24 and 34. Now 4 can divide 34 8 times. 32 and 2 is remainder. We place this 2 before the next dividend number. But duplex of this number is bigger than 29. That means we cannot divide 34 8 times. So 4 can divide 34 7 times. 28. That means 6 is the remainder. From 69 we have to subtract duplex of this number, which is 2 times 4 times 7 plus 3 square. This is 56 plus 9 or 65. So we subtract 65 from 69, 4. 4 can divide 4 1 time. There is no remainder. From 6 we have to subtract duplex of this number. And duplex of this number is bigger than 6. That means 4 cannot divide 4 1 times. Again 4 divides 4 0 times. And we place 4 before the next dividend number, 49. From 49 we subtract duplex of this number. Duplex of this number is 49 only, because 4 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0. So 7 square, that is 49. So we subtract 49, we get 0. And because there are 4 groups, so we will place decimal after 4 digits. So square root of this number is 2437. And now there is a small task for you to practice more problems. Answers are also given to you.